Ever happened? You did your best, but things still didn't go your way. You gave your 100%, you gave your heart, your time, your everything, but the world didn't notice. The results, they broke you. You gave your 1000%, but still didn't get what you want. And you started questioning yourself. But Krishna have all the answers. In Bhagavad Gita Verse 2, shloka 47, Krishna says, kamaye vadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana ma karma phalaheturbhur ma te sango stab akarmani. Explanation is that Krishna says you have right to perform your prescribed duties, but you are not entitled to the fruits of your actions. Never consider yourself the cause of the results of your activities. Never be attached to not doing your duty. In simple language, he says, do your karma, do your part, leave the results to me. This verse is called Karma Yoga, the path of selfless actions. In this verse, Krishna teaches us 4 points. First, do your duty sincerely. Focus on your actions, not on what you will get in return. Number 2, don't worry about the reasons. Success or failure, gain or loss, these are not in your hands. Just do your best and leave the rest to Krishna. Number 3, don't act out of selfish desires. Don't work for rewards like money, fame or praise. Let go of ego. And the last, don't avoid your responsibilities. Even if things seem hard or uncertain, keep doing what is right. In Hindi, कर्म करो पर फल की चिंता मत करो. This verse teaches us that how we should do our karma and not think about the results. If we will follow this path of Krishna, then we won't have stress, fear of failure and disappointment. Because when we focus on effort, not reward, we grow spiritually, mentally and emotionally. This is it for today. If this verse touched your soul, then let me know in comment section. Radhe Radhe.